Hey guys, this is Krama, and today I want to show you how to repin this beautiful MLT Classic with a split core. It's an absolute beast of a padlock and an absolute engineering marvel. So let's grab tweezers for starters, and then we'll go on from there. So we have this dust shutter, and then you have the core, but before the core you have this thing here, which holds the shackle. Sorry, so you can see it better. This is where it gets interesting, because it's a split core. You have Bible and plug, which are separated. Now, this is a bit tricky, because what you want to do is populate the Bible part first. We'll go about it like this. So we'll start at the second chamber, and go to the first chamber. Okay, and now we'll take this pinning shoe just to hold those pin and pins down. Okay, now you take the other, sorry, we'll go about it a bit messier. Take the other one. This feels a bit like reloading a gun, or yeah. Okay, so now you have this thing done. We're gonna set it off here, set it aside, sorry. And now we populate the plug. Put the key in just to make sure everything fits right. We'll take this here. I got that. Okay. No worries. Okay. That sits nicely. The second one, which also fits nicely. Third, fourth, and the fifth. So yeah, everything sits nicely. Let's see. Just want to make sure. That's on 5. This one's on 1. Just to make sure. Yeah. Everything's okay. Okay. And now that you have it set, take out the key. Take out the pinning shoe, because you see there's this reach which doesn't allow you to make it easier for yourself, so you gotta do it like this. Okay. Okay, set the ridge fits. Move this away. Okay. put it in just like this. Okay. And now we can, just a sec, I gotta take a peek, which I should have probably taken prior, but it is what it is. So pick to push the pin and pins down, and apparently I need that. This thing as well. So yeah, push the pin and pins, set them right, and it's there. Nice, slides right in. Okay, and the key works. Maybe not too smoothly, but what are you gonna do? It still works. And then it gets easier after that. So I take this part here, this part here, and this thing here. Okay, put the cover on, shackle will get here. And then we take this little spring, put it here, and take the dust cover. Whoop. Springy. Okay, so that's that. And now for the last part, this is a solid block of metal. And just to make sure one more time that everything works. Okay, key goes in and works nicely. So yeah, that's how you go about gutting and repinning this split cores. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.